Welcome to our farm expansion journey. In this video, we're taking you step by step through the entire process of building our new facility, designed to house 10,000 battery-caged laying hens, from planning and design to the final touches. This vlog is packed with valuable insights into farm infrastructure development, and we'll break down every step, the decisions we made, and the results we achieved. Before breaking ground, we spent significant time on planning. The goal was to create a space that maximized both operational efficiency and the well-being of our birds. We designed a double pen house system with 3 tiers of battery cages in each pen. This design optimizes space while ensuring proper ventilation, which is crucial for the health and productivity of the hens. The first major task was building the perimeter fence. We constructed a 10-foot high fence using durable 6 by 4 inch vibrated concrete blocks, which provide strength and security. We dug a trench 3 feet deep and 3 feet wide, then reinforced it with a thick layer of high-quality concrete. With the help of our skilled team, we completed the fencing in just 6 working days, thanks to our advanced preparation and organized materials stockpiling. Once the fence was in place, we focused on preparing the pen area. We elevated the floors by filling the area with sand to a height of 3 feet. We then compacted the sand and laterite mixture using a vibrating machine. On top of that, we poured a 4-inch thick layer of rich concrete for a strong. This raised platform ensures distance between the deep litter and the wire cages, ensuring the base was stable and solid, proper airflow, and creates a safe, level foundation.
Okay, let's go.
The pens were designed with a double-tier system, each containing 3 tiers of battery cages, each measuring 6.2 feet in height. These imported, cold galvanized cages are rust-resistant and durable. We left 5.5 feet of space between the cages for walkways, which improves accessibility for maintenance and cleaning. The open space between tiers ensures optimal airflow, preventing heat and ammonia buildup. This careful planning results in a more comfortable and productive environment for the hens. The roof was designed to be 7.5 meters high, providing plenty of space for air circulation. We left ventilation openings in the roof to maintain proper airflow, which is critical for temperature control and humidity regulation inside the pen houses. We installed chicken netting to prevent pests from entering the pens, ensuring the birds remain in a clean, safe, and protected environment. To ensure the stability of the structure, we used 6-inch galvanized pipes as the main pillars for the walkways, securely anchoring them into the concrete foundation. Concrete-filled blocks were used for the extended outer pillars that support the roof. This reinforced structure ensures the pens are stable and durable, especially given the weight of the cages and the movement of the birds. The roof was designed to be 7.5 meters high, providing plenty of space for air circulation. We left ventilation openings in the roof to maintain proper airflow, which is critical for temperature control and humidity. To prevent pests from entering the pens, we installed chicken netting, ensuring the birds remain in a clean, safe, and protected environment. Regulation inside the pen houses. For the flooring, we combined compacted sand, laterite, and concrete, creating a smooth, durable surface that's easy to clean and maintain. We also made sure the surface was free of sharp edges to prevent injuries to the birds. The entire structure was pest-proofed with chicken netting, providing an added layer of protection against rodents and insects. The result of this expansion is a highly efficient, well-organized facility capable of housing 10,000 birds. The design prioritizes the health and comfort of the hens, with optimized space, ventilation, and hygiene systems that improve both their well-being and productivity. The elevated floors, ventilation, and easy access to cages make the pens more efficient and easier to maintain. This expansion is a big leap forward in creating a sustainable, high-performance farm that will serve us for years to come. We hope this gives you a detailed look into our farm, expansion process, and the careful planning that went into every phase. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to learn more about farm construction and management, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future projects.